Hello, my name is Anna, and I want to share something that has truly changed my energy, my body, and even how I feel in my daily life. I'm not the kind of person who easily believes in miracle promises. I've tried everything to lose those extra pounds and have more energy, but nothing seemed to work for the long term. Until I discovered Mitolyn. I used to feel constantly tired. I would wake up already without energy, as if my body was always heavy and slow. Even eating better and trying to exercise, the weight just wouldn't come off, especially that stubborn fat around the belly and hips. I was starting to think it was just my age, that my metabolism had shut down for good, and that there was nothing else I could do. While researching about metabolism and energy, I came across Mitolyn. It's a natural capsule supplement made in the United States, and what caught my attention the most is that it works directly on the mitochondria, which are like little energy power plants inside our cells. As we age, the quantity and efficiency of these mitochondria decrease, and that affects everything. Our energy, our fat burning, and even our overall health. Mitolyn helps the body create new mitochondria and protect the ones we already have. This means more energy, a better metabolism, and more calories burned, even while resting. It contains no caffeine, it's not a stimulant, and it doesn't cause that jittery feeling that some supplements do. It's a care from the inside out approach, and the results appear gradually and naturally. I take just one capsule a day, first thing in the morning, with a glass of water. In the first few days, I already felt I was waking up with more energy. After a few weeks, I noticed my body started to change. Clothes fitting looser, less bloating in my belly, and a level of energy I hadn't felt in years. Today, besides being slimmer, I have the energy to do my daily activities, take care of the house, and still have the motivation to go out or exercise. What I love the most is that Mitolyn doesn't just focus on weight loss. It also helps with mood, digestion, heart health, joint health, liver health, and even skin appearance. I truly feel my body is functioning better and more balanced. Of course, everyone is unique. Mitolyn isn't magic. It works much better alongside healthy habits, such as a balanced diet and a minimally active routine. But for me, it was a real game changer. I honestly wouldn't trade mine for anything. If you're also tired of trying crazy diets and want something that truly takes care of your metabolism and energy naturally, I strongly recommend you check out Mitolyn. To make it easier, I'll leave here the official link where I bought mine. Just click the link in the description or pinned in the first comment to go to the website and secure yours. Don't put it off. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll feel this difference in your body and your energy levels. Click the link now and discover Mitolyn.